This is our door lock machine for D1-E. And this is the control panel. This is for the main page. For the main page, you can set the size for the door, length, wells, and thickness. And also you can change the language here. The auto mode, standalone mode, pressure wheel on. This is a pressure wheel. And this is a door lock mode. If you press this one, it will change to the hinge mode. When you make the door lock mode, please open the lock slot on and the lock hole on. Second page will show you to control the menu mode, auto mode, inch mode, and original mode. And it also can control for different spindle, for the spindle horizontal spindle T1, horizontal T2, vertical T1, vertical T2. To control for the cylinder, down or put here and back. Third is for the parameter. The parameter you don't need to change. This is if you have some problem, we will help you to set the parameter. So offset you only need to know here. Automatic knife adjustment. Horizontal T1, horizontal T2, vertical T1, vertical T2. To ensure the tool knife. The I/O monitor it is monitor our machine. You don't need to change anything here. The alarm, it will show you any alarm on the machine, such as the air pressure alarm. This is important for the formula editing. So the keyhole is on top side. And the lock groove is on the side for the door. And the hinge. For the keyhole, we can open one such as here. We need to set the coordinate X and Y. Other things we don't need to change. And for this one, back to safety height, return. Back for the tool, we can choose yes. And when you finish it, you can confirm. Then we make the lock groove. We can change the different side for the lower side, mid side, and the upper edge for different edge for the original point. Normally we choose the mate. For example, we use this one for the mate. We don't need to set the Z. Z is 0, means it will start at the mate. When we finished, confirm. Then we can make the keyhole and lock hole for the machine. This is the recipe. The recipe is you can store your formula in the recipe. Anytime if you want to, for example, use a 1, press here, 1, enter, press load. See, we change to the formula 1 here. And when we finish, choose the formula, back to the auto. This is the main page. On. It's also for the on. We can choose start. Start for making our lock hole.